All right, so this is one of the vents in our tiny home that is broken that I want to change out. And this normally has these little screws down into the screw holes. You know, you have to unscrew those, take them out. But this is also, they stick up out of the floor pretty good ways. And they're actually flimsy. You can see here, this one's already broken. So your floor registers typically will look something like this. Of course, this is a tiny home, but in homes and things, they look about like this. These new registers like this are solid, they're metal. And you can angle them, so you decide which way you want to do it. I want to put mine in this way, and you literally just set it down in the hole. So if this is the right measurement for your home, which this is the most common size, but if this is the right measurements, you should be able to just stick it down in there. It might not sit perfectly flush. You can actually bend these just a little bit to make them sit a little more flush, but I plan on putting just a little bit of seal, just the foam sticky insulation seals that you can buy around this so that it sits nice and snug in there. And the good thing about these, you don't have to worry about screws. So if you want to take them out, you just pull them out, vacuum in there, make sure you get everything out of there, and then you just put them back in. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do so, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.